Good morning guys, welcome to our Rebel Life vlog. Today I'm gonna have for you Power Smoothie, Power Anti-Aging Smoothie that I personally make for myself at least 5 times a week. This is how I start my day. All the ingredients here were listed at the bottom of the video, but I'll go over it quickly so you have an idea why I chose these specific things together. So we have organic frozen blueberries, one of the highest antioxidant content. We have organic frozen strawberries, one of the lowest in sugar and highest in vitamin C fruits. Of course, we got our potassium from bananas, very important mineral for our body. I like to use coconut water as my base for the electrolytes. Optionally, I personally like Greek yogurt. It's optional if you don't do dairy, you don't have to use Greek yogurt, but for me, I like it for protein and for probiotics. We have walnuts, which is one of the healthiest nuts, and in general, fats are very important, especially as we're getting older. A good amount of fats is very healthy and good for our body. Then I have alaklaine powder superfoods blend with spirulina, moringa, alfalfa, chlorella, and spinach. It's a very good blend that has everything in one. Then of course, very anti-aging, really important for skin, hair, nails, collagen, and this one happens to be with magnesium, which is even better benefit. Magnesium is very important, not only antidepressant, but also very good for the muscle relaxation, and it's really good. It's just really healthy. And then we have protein powder, and protein, I chose whey protein, but there's many different kinds of protein. This one is natural, without any artificial colors or flavors, sweetened with stevia. And you can choose any different protein powder that works for you, but protein is also very important. So we're gonna put these together, put them in our blender, and that's it. It's ready, my breakfast. I personally like them when they're a little bit thicker, so this is just a perfect consistency for me, and I promise you, you're gonna love this. It's really good. Okay guys, this is it. If you like this video, please comment below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Till next time, cheers.